How to fix MetaTrader 5 not working. If MetaTrader 5 is not working at all, here's a step-by-step tutorial to bring it back to life. Start by checking your internet connection. If MT5 says no connection, try switching networks or restarting your router. Then open the platform and click on the login tab to ensure your credentials are correct. A wrong password will silently block the server connection. Still not loading? Go to Tools, then tap on Option and go to Server. Make sure the correct broker server is selected. If your broker changed servers, you may need to re-download the connection file. Also, update MT5 to the latest version. Older builds can fail after an update from your broker site. If charts won't load, try opening a new chart window or right-clicking the refresh data. Sometimes it's just a frozen symbol. What part of MT5 is failing? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.